You don't have to call me. Ooh. Darling. You don't even have to call me by my name.
All right, we're gonna start off this episode with a little shop update of what all we got going on in here. So first things first, Johnson the single cab, 64 single cab, got work done on it for the first time in a decade. So the old man came out here and he's like, well, might as well do some welding. So he welded up some holes where you can put your seatbelt, all that stuff, because safety first. So did that, and then we've also been working on the 71 Westfalia over here. Gilbert. I'm learning how to Bondo, so that's real fun. I hate Bondo. And then we got all this good stuff going on over here, just kind of cleaning it, prepping it, primer. We've bought out almost all the primer in the North Austin area from all Advanced and AutoZones and O'Reilly's. We bought out all of their primer and we're slowly rattle canning and primering, getting it ready to go. And then the old man pointed out a good point to me that I didn't even think about. You just go ahead and, if you mask as you go, you don't have to do it again. I don't know, it's really logical. I didn't think of that. And then another shop update. We got new pads to walk on, which are really nice and soft. So we got these out of the trash, so it's always nice finding those.
Thanks for that update, Jake.
Yep.
And we're gonna do another giveaway. Stay tuned for that to see how you guys can win. So we didn't make much progress on this old Vanagon last.
Yeah, well,
But
we're chasing our tails a little bit with some Jiminy Crickets. So we got some new fancy wiring.
Yes, we ordered a wiring kit and a battery terminal kit. I'll put the links to that. We got this off Amazon. This was suggested by Tommy B himself, which he won first place in the street class at the drag races.
Meow, meow, meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow.
What is
That's me drag racing. Hey, that's Boomer in the June Bug Rally, baby.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so we're gonna replace the big aught cable, right?
That's what we're doing. We're taking the big aught table out.
So hopefully replacing this giant cable and the two terminal ends will be good. All right, we're running our new cable in. There he is, the man.
Whoa.
Track champ.
Track. Where's your trophy? And your big check.
It's exciting.
You lifted the wheels.
Yeah, so that new little breaker thing, I was trying to play that.
The whammy bar, you use the whammy bar?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, so I was playing with that, trying to learn that process, so it was a little bit of a learning curve. Our friend Eric Ellis was there, and he was super helpful. I hung out with him in the pits, and he gave me a whole bunch of information and tips and tricks, so thank you, Eric.
Yeah, and Eric provided the footage that you're going to see right now.
Yes, Eric did provide the footage. We'll roll it!
Street Finals winner. Yeah.
You know what we do have from O'Reilly's? Oh, that's heavy.
Oh, look at that. Oh, yeah.
Let us hope that this solves all our problems. Okay, the new cable has been all the way down. And Tommy is heat shrinking the end over there after we re-terminated it. And now Tommy is pulling off that little ground cable, and we're gonna redo that. As Tommy tightens up that last little thing, our heroes are gonna need a shifter, boss.
Yeah.
Shifter bushing kit. All right.
Turn it to where the on power is.
Oh, that,
No fire, no smell or nothing? You ready?
We'll see.
Holy, you can feel juice going through there.
But you don't feel
You don't feel heat.
heat. I smell gas.
Yeah, that wasn't too bad.
It was way better than it's ever been.
Yeah. I mean, we can see if we can actually see if we can get it. We could run it off of
Get it to cough off with some starter fluid.
starter fluid or something.
so throw some spark plugs in it and throw some. Okay. Okay, we aren't messing around anymore. We've had this issue for several episodes now, and Tommy brought his big Mamma Jamma battery charger, the big 330 amp, the solar 330. That's the one, 5-year warranty.
Oh yeah, that's out of warranty for like 50 years. I don't know. It's been around for a bit. I'll tell you that.
Oh, listen to that hum.
What brand is it?
Now it's on charge. You want to try it? Now it's on start. See what it'll do.
All right, let's see what happens.
It does start to slow down after a second.
Well, I hear that.
Yeah, I had start. I had it on low, so it was.
Ooh, that's getting some juice. All right, you want to try it?
Yeah.
Did you put plugs in or what?
Yeah.
Let me know if you spray anything else.
I got throttle. All right, go ahead.
All right, and now it's time for the giveaway. We're going to give away this VWLIFE poster to one lucky winner. All you have to do is write poster in the comments below, and we'll pick one winner. Just say poster in the comments, and we'll pick a winner.
Can you hear that where it's coming from?
Yeah, it's a big vacuum leak somewhere.
Yeah, it's on this side.
Could be this. No.
Hit it again?
Do it again. It's back in here.
It's in there.
Yeah, hit me ignition. Let me see.
Power on.
Yeah, I got power at the coil.
Put it on the other side, the negative.
Okay.
Yeah, it's flashing.
Okay, cool. So that's good. I just wanted to make sure that.
Yeah.
After less than ideal results from our first experiment with the wiring, we replaced the all-new starter, and we're hoping for the best. Real talk, Tommy. What happens
I
now?
was going to try to get up close. But I
We cross our fingers and we hope that everything being brand new, it goes. And then we'd be excited. And let me tell you, the real response would be. That's how it works.
Let's go.
Yeah, you ready for?
Let's do it. Let's do it. 3, 2, 1, do it. Oh my God! Oh my God!
Residual.
Yes!
It was a starter. Yeah, it was a starter.
Oh, Corey! Oh, that was the sound of victory.
Put it in there for $200-300.
I know.
You know,
The sound of victory.
Oh, Riley. Actually, it's his advance, but they don't
It's
have.
ready in advance.
I don't know
you know
their
what we
song.
should do? It ran. It turned over really.
I did like it's supposed to.
Yeah, we were.
Well, finally.
And then the residual, even fired with just that little bit of spray in there.
Oh yeah, that was just leftover puddling.
Yeah,
Yeah.
garbage cleaner.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's surprising they didn't evaporate after all that time.
That's really good. Hot damn. All right, so let's do. I know we need an S boot for sure. So let me get a thing. To the board.
All right.
Look at this, Matt Jackson. Starter bought, starter installed, starter works.
Bird nest egg hatching. Okay, eggs have hatched.
Eggs hatch.
Now let's just say rear young.
Rear young.
Yeah.
Yeah, I told you they hatched that.
Yeah,
quick.
there's babies in here.
There are babies in there?
So was it? But I say it was like 10 days for the hatch. And
This
then,
thing being as hot.
as long as you don't abandon them in there.
Look, they got their mouth open up and they're trying to eat a worm.
They're eating a worm right now?
No, he has his mouth up in the air like he's ready to.
Oh, they need to feed them, Matt Jackson.
Do we have a worm?
Eat some food and regurgitate.
Yeah, go dig in. If you go dig in the
Get a worm?
compost, chew it up.
Matt Jackson is over there right now eating worms and regurgitating. So that's awesome. Thank you, Matt Jackson, for helping out with the birdies.
Yeah, scratch off egg hatching. We already
Egg
did that.
hatching done. Now we're rearing the young, all right, in our bird nest. Battery installed. Left and right door grab handles.
Yep.
Installed. Vapor barrier door panels. Bumper trim clips, muffler. So we need to source a S boot for sure. We also need those. How do those little hoses look on the intake manifold? Those kind
There's
of
a ton of little things that
little.
are pushing.
Well, there's a big suck right there.
Oh.
Wow, we need that. That comes off the control auxiliary control valve. That needs to be. Look at that.
Where does that go?
It goes there to the S boot. Go to the side of the S boot.
So is it broke or what?
Yeah. Well,
Where is the?
Or is it just a?
It's just-
Oh, it's just a bent hose.
Yeah.
That's all it is.
so I don't even know where the S boot is. I think it disintegrated completely. That's your power brake. Look at that hose there.
Yeah.
That looks like it's been jury rigged with 2 different size hoses.
So what you're saying is you're basically going to go through the GoWesty website
Yeah, I'm
and kind of almost. We probably need everything.
Check a little couple
most-
hundred boxes.
Yeah, and just go through and look at all our hoses because it looks like we just, we're looking at 42 years of deterioration. Yeah, make it nice and solid. This thing's still running the EGR valve.
Tommy B. Smith tech tip. Clean it at your friend's house. Those Renegade Jeep things?
So Junebug Rally coming up this Saturday, June 18th, and one of the things we do for the Junebug Rally and for the harvest is we have little dash plaques made. And I mean, I don't know, when I used to autocross way back in the previous century, one of the coolest things every event, everybody got a dash plaque, and it was just so it was just kind of a nice memento to have everything. So something that we've carried forward for Junebug and for the harvest, and
These
Martin
are
does these.
super well done too. They're made of metal and they got double-sided tape on the backside. And some people, you drop down your glove box and they just line their doors, but then we have so many events, they're just filled up.
Yeah, you should go take a picture of Jerry, because what I do is I'll get a piece of that magnetic material and then cut it to fit, and then cut it, stick it on the magnetic material. And I think Jerry has I don't know how many of these. We've been doing this for I don't know. I was trying to add up when we first started doing Junebug.
We started in 08.
Yeah, he did 08, and then I stepped in 09 to help out a little bit, and then that I didn't have a plaque from that. It was when I think it was the bus.
I don't have that one either.
Yes, you do. It's in
No,
the fridge.
Oh, I do. That's the only one.
Yeah. Other than that, I don't have that one, but then I have everyone after that. And then 08 was when y'all had it at the park over here, and he was just unloading everything. There was a tent without all the poles in it. There was a half-used can of kerosene. I mean, it was crazy.
Those are awesome prizes.
In those days, everybody got a prize.
Oh, yeah.
You were there, you were going home with something.
Yeah.
Oh,
Maybe we should not throw that tent away.
Most people in Volkswagen get
Get a tent.
big ass tent.
Yeah.
A big old tent.
So they can have a place to stay when they break down. It's one of those things, though. It's not like everybody gets a trophy, but everybody, there is a trophy for everybody. It's the better version of that.
Yeah, that's exactly right, Tommy. It's a lot of fun. I'm looking forward to it. The prizes are always don't laugh, your daughter might be in here.
If you break down, you get a cot.
Most likely not to make it, that kind of thing. And of course, costumes.
Yes,
We've had some great costume prizes before people dress up. So.
Oh, yeah, Mark and his family kill it sometimes.
Yeah.
They're crazy.
Yeah, one year they were dressed as the.
Hey,
the
and they won
Tiger
Best
King.
Dressed, and they won.
Yeah, that's right.
Bay Area Dave's coming back with
The
this year.
defending champ.
The
Yeah,
defending
champion coming back. So
Yeah.
that'll be exciting.
Yeah,
so.
he was so unaware that he had won. He was like, when we told him that he won, he was like, then he had to take that big old trophy all the way back.
Stuffed in his beetle.
Oh,
Love
it's
the
crazy.
Junebug.
Hanging out the top.
It's good, but Junebug is a special event. I'm glad that we do it. It's a lot of fun, and I think the people. I mean, like I said, people who do it, they're like, "Oh my gosh, this is so much fun!" And we've seeded other people who've done Junebug rallies.
Yeah, so tune in next week, and that'll be next week's video
You'll be able to
here on
see it.
VWLIFE.
There you go.
Make sure you check out our Instagram, y'all. VWLife_YouTube. Check us out on Instagram. We post stuff about what we're doing. Martin posted a photo tonight.
Make sure you tell your aunts, tell your uncles, tell everybody you know about VWLIFE. This is what it's all about. Get with your buddies and get a Volkswagen going. There's a lot of them out there still that need a lot of love. That's a fact. This shop's full of them. So please make sure you join us every week, every Thursday. That's a cool, must-see TV, as they say. Thank you all for joining us tonight.